It's my first YouTube video, guys, and I'm so pumped to have you here. My name is Tobi Lasisi, so let me officially welcome you to my YouTube channel. That feels quite surreal, but yeah, I'm doing it. So if you are interested in or curious about the world of user experience research, whether you are just starting out or making a career shift, or you are a student discovering this field, trust me, you are in the right place and I've got you. So here's the deal. On this channel, we'll go all in on everything user experience research. I'm talking about everything you need to know in order to make sure that you're ready to rock this field. We'll break down methods, we'll share case studies, maybe also share practical tips, and maybe also show you how to apply those research insights like that pro that you are. And I know a lot of you are probably just transitioning into the user experience field or getting started in your career. So I'll try to share career tips that I've learned along the way. I'll share tips for breaking into the industry or into the field, and maybe also how to grow your skills at whatever stage you are in your journey. And even if you're a college student exploring user experience research, then I've also got you covered. So basically, we focus on talking about how to run user-centered research, how to analyze your data, run user studies, be user interviews, usability tests, however it is. Most importantly, how to run research in order to design products that people actually love to use. So to tell you a little bit about myself, my name is Tobi Lasisi and I'm a user experience researcher. I've worked in this field for over a decade and I've worked on some very exciting projects that have helped to develop products and experiences that actually do make a difference. I currently work in the field of quantum computing. I have a PhD in computer science and my research focus is in human-computer interaction, HCI. So that's how I got into user experience. I had my undergrad in Nigeria quite a long time ago. Worked for a bit in one of the leading banks and then came to the United States for my PhD in 2017, I guess, and then I graduated in 2023 with my PhD and I've been working since then. On this channel, I'll be sharing everything I've learned along the way, from basics to advanced methods. So whether you are looking to break into user experience research or you're looking to grow your skills, or even if you are planning to go for your master's or your PhD, then I believe you will learn quite a bit from this channel. So I'll be sharing career tips and practical tips that you might find helpful along your journey. So if you're interested in tech, user experience research, or anything related to everything I've talked about, then you might find a lot to learn on this channel. Please do well to subscribe and join me on this journey. On this channel, I expect that we'll discuss everything user experience, what it is, why it is important, and how it can totally transform how we design products and experiences. And we'll sometimes also dive into user experience in quantum computing, as that is currently my area of application at the moment. So don't be surprised if we also dive into UXR in quantum. So in summary, I'm here to help you, or no, help us level up our user experience game, or in general, level up our career game. You ready for that? Please join me. One thing I would also love to share is talk about how I got into this career, how I got to where I am at the moment, talk about my unconventional pathway into quantum itself. That might be something that people might be interested in, and you might pick a tip or two, one lesson or another in the story that might be helpful in your own journey. So if this is some kind of content that you are interested in, please do well to give a thumbs up to the video, and also drop a comment in the comment section so I can know if this is something that folks out there are interested in. Also, if there's anything in particular that you like for me to talk about or like for us to discuss here, please feel free to share in the comments. So if you're ready for some fun, super practical user experience kind of content, or even just general career kind of content, then buckle up and join me on this adventure. Click on that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll be so glad to have you join me. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.